Hi viewers, Namaskaram. My name is Badri Venkatesh. I'm the director of film Kuraloi Kuralu. Kuraloi Kuralu as Atharva as the lead hero. He is the son of a very famous Tamil actor Mr. Murli, and the heroine of our film is Samantha, Jessie to all of you. And Kuraloi Kuralu was Bana Kathadi in Tamil. The film was a big success in Tamil. The film's music is by Mr. Yuvan Shankar Raja. Bana Kathadi is a different style of film, meaning you must have seen a lot of films where they talk about the lower spectrum of the society, people who live in the lower levels of the society. But always in our movies, when we talk about lower class of people, we always associate violence, poverty and all other things. All the negative connotations are always given towards them. But in Kuraloi Kuralu, we have touched on the same strata of the society, but we have taken a totally divergent opinion, meaning we show or we talk about the amount of life and amount of happiness which is there amidst people in that level. This is a story of a young boy who for about 2-3 years constantly keep failing his second PUC, and he is fascinated with kites. So you don't see a lot of Telugu films or Indian films per se which deals with kites. So Galipata. So this film is about a guy who's fascinated with kites and how there is a love between him and a first year fashion technology student. Samantha plays Priya, the fashion technology student. The significant portion of the film is, as I said earlier, it is about how somebody views. No? For example, let's take somebody coming from that slums or areas of Hyderabad, say somewhere near Charminar, or when the place Charminar or the people from that level, we constantly get into some other imagery. But we try to say in Kuraloi Kuralu, it is not necessary that those people have to be in that particular shade. Rather, we have always seen those people in that particular thing. The truth is not that. They are people who are so happy, and these are people who are so confident. Then there is a important character played by a leading actor in Tamil called Mr. Prasanna. Prasanna's character is of an underworld don or underworld don's key lieutenant, where he has a soft corner for the hero. He doesn't want the hero of the film to become somebody like him, who takes a sword and lives by the sword. And the most important aspect of this particular film is the music, as I earlier told. The music of Yuvan Shankar Raja, Yuvan Shankar Raja's music have been very big success in Telugu already. And Bana Kathadi, Kuraloi Kuralu's music is phenomenal. I hope the Telugu audience who have generally accepted a variety of there is something very peculiar about Andhra film watching habit. The Andhrites are supposed to be the people who love different styles of cinema. No? You can't categorize Telugu cinema into one category because there are so many different styles of film, and there is such a lot of freedom for a filmmaker to express himself in Telugu. We hope Bana Kathadi, it's now Kuraloi Kuralu, does phenomenally well. In Tamil, it was produced by a very prestigious banner called Satyajyothi Films. Satyajyothi Films were the people who introduced Mr. Mani Ratnam to cinema, and they have made phenomenal Tamil films like Moonrampare and so on. And a lot of their films have come out in Telugu. One being Hrithayam, which was acted by Mr. Murli. It was a phenomenal success. Now we are very privileged to have Mr. Murli's son to get launched in Telugu. In Telugu, we are very, very happy to associate with Mr. Srinivas Damera of Five Colors Multimedia, and he has done a great job in making the film in Telugu, and the film has come out quite well, and I hope this film is being recognized and patronized by the people of Andhra Pradesh, who have made so many filmmakers, who have made a lot of filmmakers into big stars and big directors. I hope our film will also, and we will also get the same support from you audience. In this film, as I told earlier, Mr. Murli's son Atharva is getting launched. Actually, he plays a boy from the slums. So, you know, Atharva is a son of a big star and he enjoys a different clout of life. So, it took a lot of time. We had a meticulous planning session for about 2.5 3 months. We had a intensive workshop where both Samantha and Atharva did a lot of rehearsals. The major portion of the film, Kuralai Kuralai, was shot in live locations. So, amidst real people. So, the rehearsals were very, very important. Kuralai Kuralai is for the entire family. As the very name says, Kuralai Kuralai is a very, very successful Telugu song. All of you must know that. So that is the reason why we wanted to connect with the Telugu audience right away, and we thought this is the perfect title so that we can easily reach a lot of audience. This film is a pure, clear entertainer, where from an old man to a youngster, everybody can really enjoy, and we are sure that it will be a clean, wholesome entertainment. And our main target is the youth. If youth start liking the movie, I think that the movie will do very well, and I hope the Telugu audience are going to give a big success to Kuralai Kuralai. Kuralai Kuralai తప్పకుండా చూడండి, బిగ్ సక్సెస్ చేయండి, ఆర్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి.